Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can combine a video with an audio using the compound clip feature in CapCut PC. So I have this video of a fireworks here. And then I'm going to select audio and I'm going to add in this audio, for instance. And I want to combine this audio with this video. I can combine it wherever I wanted to. Let me just turn off the main track magnet here. And I'm going to delete this, and I'm also going to delete this as well. So once you're done with that, you're going to select both the video and the audio, or press Ctrl A if there's no other clips. Right click and select create compound clip, or you can just press the Alt G to create the compound clip. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!